and the noise comes. मेरे पास माँ है. Association with Bollywood. Whatever creativity to gain attention, we did it. Can we go to the next slide? And the most important thing that happened with us was we are the most beautiful and interesting thing. We use it to the stage of Bollywood. I think I'm through with the session. I'm on time. Okay. Any questions and all we can.
So that was an interesting story by Venki. He started off, then the entire thing got collapsed, and again he restarted. So something which the attitude was there that never quit, right? That is something you showcased over the presentation. Moving on, I just want to throw some questions to you, on the panel. And before moving on, I just want to relate with the background, which I carry. I belong to a business class family where the simple mathematics is that what you are getting at the end of the day in terms of the monetary part. So, especially when I was sitting with my relative, I happened to be a part of an organization. I'm an alumnus of that organization. So, in that, you work voluntarily. So, sometimes you need to put, your own money to go for the meetings and everything. And, I was just discussing with a close relative that, I'm getting good exposure from this organization and everything. I'm getting more motivation. So, suddenly, he replied that you are getting motivation, but what about the rotivation? So that rotivation is the bread and butter which you need to earn for yourself, for your family. There has to be, you have to play safer, which generally the family consider. So what's your take on that? How you take care of all those issues which generally arise when you are starting up. You don't have enough money or resources or much people to take the venture forward or the initiative forward. So how you have done that, and what message you want to pass on to the audience? Yeah.
See, one beautiful thing that I want to tell all the teenagers here is. डेली टेलीविजन में ऐड होता है ना, डेली मीडिया में ऐड्स हो रहा है, एंड वी ऑल बिकम ग्रेट कंज्यूमर्स एट 18, 20, 25. हम नाइकी का जूता लेते हैं, रेबन का ग्लासेस लेते हैं, बेस्ट ड्रेसेस खरीदते हैं, बेस्ट गाड़ियां खरीदते हैं. बट इफ यू वांट टू गेट इनटू एंटरप्रेन्योर मोड, यू कांट गेट इनटू ए कंजम्पशन मोड. यू हैव टू गेट इनटू ए क्रिएटर मोड. यू हैव टू थिंक दैट आई विल क्रिएट अ ब्रांड, आई विल क्रिएट ए कंपनी, एंड आई विल क्रिएट कंज्यूमर्स. बहुत बार कंजम्पशन के चक्कर में हम लोग अपना सपना छोड़ देते हैं. Like for example, I want to tell Paulo Coelho again. Paulo Coelho has said very beautifully, you want to be a baker, but how much money a baker makes is more important to you, or what the world thinks about a baker is more important to you, whether you want to be a baker or not. So when you start an enterprise, you're not doing it for money, you're not doing it for things. That's the financial requirement that will follow. You are doing it for your pure passion. You want your dream to realize. Are you with me? Thank you. Mohit?
I believe that we normally face the problem of having no team, no money, no purpose. In my opinion, the purpose is first. If you know what you're going to do, you'll probably find people who believe in the same thing. So if you have the purpose, team follows. If you have the purpose in the team, money follows. So if you don't have money, think about the goal, and then you'll find the soulmates, and the money follows actually.
Thank you. The second instance, with which I want to relate the session as well, is something with the people. So I still remember a few months back when we were discussing about the entire event and how we do it. What people will have. We'll have the professionals who've got good experience in management. So that the idea was there, but still the people connect has to be there, right? And for that we just I just had someone from some friend who joined me in school, who joined me for this event as well. There's some friends with whom I've interacted in my initial job. So like what's the relevance of having people who might be you are known to your network, or the people you actually take from the friends background, or who are your colleagues in some other platform. So what's the role of the people when you're starting off?
I think your co-founders are extremely important. Co-founders, I've been talking about it, saying that your soulmates really help you survive tough times. He talked about another co-founder who plays like Clemson, he said. So I think the co-founders should typically come from people whom you know, because you're going to have, you're going to spend too much time with them. Startups are all about not those 8 working hours, it's a lifestyle. You're going to work 24 hours a day, you're going to live, you're going to eat, drink and live that dream. And if you have people who believe in you, who you're known from your early days, from your colleges, or who have been your family members. So my co-founder is my MBA batchmate. We have stayed together for 2 years, and we know each other for almost since 1996, and we met in 2003 to start the company. My other co-founders have been sharing the same alma mater. So I think it's too critical to work with people whom you really know. I would prefer any time guys whom I know versus more talented people.
Thank you.
In my case,